how to watch videos on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch videos on Pinterest. Pinterest is a popular social media platform that allows users to discover and share visual content, such as images and videos. Now to watch the video on Pinterest, first of all, you will have to launch your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Also make sure that you are logged into your Pinterest account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Now once you reach to this page, here you can either scroll through the feed or click on this search icon to search for the specific videos. At the search bar, you can enter the specific keywords related to the type of video you want to watch. For example, cooking recipes, DIY crafts, nature videos, and many more. Once you search for the video, you will find the search results. Video panes usually have timer in the top right corner of the thumbnail. Scroll through the search results or the feed to find the video you want to view. Once you find the video, tap on the video icon to open it. The video will start playing automatically. If it doesn't start, tap on this play button to start the video. You can explore other videos available in your feed. If you want to view the video in full screen mode, you can tap on this full screen icon represented by this arrow sideways. Tap on this arrow to view it in a full screen mode. So in this way you can watch videos on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.